So let's do a side-by-side comparison between the permutations and the combinations. Okay? 10p2 and 10c2. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Have you guys been to the movie theaters? Have you guys been to a movie theater where they have assigned seating? Have you guys been to movie theaters where they don't have assigned seating? Okay. We have assigned seating and not assigned seating. Assigned seating, if you have C7, you're going to have to go to C7 and sit down at C7. Okay? So you and your date go to the movies. So how many tickets do you need to buy? Okay, so you're buying 2 tickets. Okay? If you have assigned seating means that it has to be in a perfect order. If you have C7, you have to sit in that perfect seat, that one seat. So this one's going to be perfect, P for perfect. Assigned seating is going to be perfect. If it's not assigned, then any seat will work. You guys understand the difference here? Okay, so if you bought 2 tickets and they're assigned seatings, then it does make a difference whether you sit on C7 or C8. But if you just had 2 random tickets, it doesn't matter if you're sitting on C7 or C8. Okay? So both of these equations will have n factorial on top. Okay? Both of these equations will have n minus r on the bottom. So this one has an extra thing on the bottom. And let me explain to you an easy way to remember this. If you see the C, then you see the R. Okay, so N, C, R. You see the R? Everybody take a look. Do you see the R? Then you see the R. Remember it that way. Do you see the R? You see the R. Okay? What happens if you P on the R? Then the R goes away. The R is going to go take a shower, change their clothes, and come back. So the R goes away. No R here. If you P on the R goes away. Okay, remember that. If somebody annoys you, just P on them. They'll run away. Okay? If you see the R, you see the R. If you P on the R goes away. Okay? That's an easy way to remember it.